How was your 12-week journey? Let's discuss your experience working with us. Tell me.
Very, very, very good. Especially when you listen to everybody talking about it and asking you. So it
Mhm.
feels very good, yes.
Superb. And how much weight have you lost, Manya?
I lost about 7 kgs, but more than the weight, the inch loss was more for me
Mhm.
on the waist and my thighs and my arms. I've lost a lot.
Superb, superb. And how does it feel after losing 7? Like, what all changes you observe apart from just feeling lighter, apart from
Mm.
clothes? What all observe? What all observations?
Apart from clothes, the energy level, of course, is very different. And you become very mindful of what you're eating, where you're eating, and how much you are eating.
Mm-hmm.
Though I was always accountable in those 12 weeks, because that's what I had asked you. More than the diet, I wanted the accountability, right?
Yeah.
Even now, I've got used to taking those pictures of my meal, to see how my plate looks and, if I'm eating it right and if I want to go back and see.
Mm-hmm.
Or I become conscious if I'm not hungry, then I know I need to skip that meal or I can have something lighter. Or I've
Nice.
had a cheat meal, then I know next day I have to get back on track or, just go on a proper fruit diet or whatever that you have taught me.
Mm-hmm.
So that awareness has, of course, gone up a lot.
Great. So, along with weight loss, you've developed new habits, and mindfulness has gone to the next level where,
Next. Yes.
now what do you feel like if you continue with this mindfulness and habits, if you just practice the same, uh,
Mm.
do you feel that you would be able to maintain the transformation and not just maintain, but get better with your fat loss on your own in the coming months?
Yes, I can do that. The best thing is some days I don't do my steps or anything, and by end of the day, it's a very uncomfortable feeling that I haven't done something. So even in my room, I'll keep walking, and then yeah, that's a habit that you build, right? And once that habit is there, of course, you will have a fat loss, and
Hmm.
you will automatically get into that good habit, and you will lose weight. How much you have to lose?
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, so happy to hear this. Also, now that you've experienced the fat loss, tell me, how did that feel when you were wearing your old clothes and you're able to fit in the old clothes when you also sent a photo that people are complimenting you, they are observing the fat loss. How did that feel? How was that?
Super good, man. Super, super good.
Great. So you feel the results motivate you more than anything else?
I have never been to the gym 2 months consistently. Now, the moment I get a free time, I'm like, let me just book another session and just finish my training for the day, or let me just go for a walk. So, of course, it feels good, and that's why you keep pushing yourself.
Nice.
You can see the results, so it helps you. Of course, your skin glows and everything, everybody notices that change. So, it feels very nice, yes.
Nice. How about the workouts? How smoothly were you able to do the workouts?
My workouts were good. I was able to do 5 to 6 workouts, five, I would say, on an average in a week.
Oh.
Even now, I'm able to maintain my 5 workouts.
Mhm.
And I would do my steps for every day very good. In fact, those 12 weeks, I had steps every day, more than 13, 14,000 steps every day.
I remember.
So even
That's
now, I'm able to maintain it to 10,000 whatsoever. Even
perfect.
on a very, very busy day, I can finish those many steps. Like I told you, it's in my mind now. So I have to do it. So
Nice.
yeah, the workouts are very, very smooth for me.
What all efforts you put in to reach 10K? Like, what strategy do you use to reach 10K? Tell me.
So morning, once I'm free from my daughter and my work, I would finish about 5 to 6,000 steps. That would be like 1 hour dedicated time. It would take me 6 to 7,000 steps.
Hmm.
And then after my meals, I would try to walk when I would try to schedule my calls, in a way that I walk and talk. That
Hmm.
was one thing. And then evening, if I have another half an hour, 1 hour, I would go for another 5, 10,000. It would be at least 5,000 steps in the evening. So that was at least 12, 13,000 in a day.
Hmm.
So that's how I was able to manage my steps very easily.
Awesome. Awesome. So almost done with the Q&A. Last question. So when you made the investment, right? So what made you go ahead with our? So the question is, what made you go ahead with the investment? Because
With
we,
particularly with you,
yeah, with me, and what made you go ahead with the investment? Like, what made
I
you?
think I kept following you on Instagram, and your thing was that you can help with a busy schedule of a parent, or a mom or a housewife. So that's very important because see, it's not possible for me to cook my meal separately after a long day at work and other things.
Hmm.
So that's what motivated me to join you because that was very simple. The meals were very, very what something everybody in the family eats, and I didn't have to particularly cook for myself.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's something that motivated me to go ahead with you.
Superb. And let's say someone listens to this, what advice would you give them in terms of investing on your own health? Because you keep investing here and there, right? You invest on your
There's
daughter's
no
swim class.
point of investing in jewelry or clothes if you don't look or feel good about it. So please, please, please invest in yourself first.
Hmm.
After that, even the smallest thing will look good on you. So yes, it's very important to invest on yourself and work on yourself to see that change in you.
Also, you feel like, what do you feel in terms of investing on your health? Would it be a temporary investment or would it be a long-term, lifetime investment?
It's a lifetime investment. It's completely a lifetime because see, in this process, you learn a lot of things. You taught me, especially when you're traveling, how to maintain your meals. In your 12 weeks, I had three major trips.
Hmm.
So it's not only that 12 weeks you are investing for a lot more that you get to learn. I
Hmm.
have asked you on Instagram and on WhatsApp a lot more questions, and you have given me a detailed explanation. So it's a very good learning process. I remember I even told you I want to do some things for my daughter with you, and you said you learn and you will be able to make those changes for her. So it's not only for you, it's also for your family members that you will make those small, small changes. And it's, of course, it's important to make that change and that investment for everybody.
Nice. So happy to hear this.
Hmm.
It was great working with you as well in the 12-week program.
Same,
Your
same.
consistency was good. I would ask Prachi, how's your feedback? How's your workout? How's your diet? She's
Hmm.
like, yeah, she's doing great. She's able to
Hmm.
manage stuff during her busy
Hmm.
days, and yeah, we were in loop with what you're doing. So things were like really, really awesome.
Yeah, it
Great.
was, it was
Anything
an
you would like to
awesome
share
journey.
or ask before we leave? Anything you would like to discuss? Feel free to.
No. Any more doubts, I'll keep, of course, asking you
Yeah,
on Insta.
yeah, you have.
It's a life relationship that goes on from here on, I think.
Absolutely, absolutely. So the group would be there. Instagram is there. You already have both the numbers of mine, and
Yes.
yeah, we'll definitely stay in loop and keep the
Yes.
doors open for communication.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much, Yash.
Most
Thanks
welcome.
to Prachi also. She's been like big, big help for me.
Can you share two lines for Prachi if she listens to this? What would you tell her?
Yes, I wanted a accountability partner more than the dietitian. I wanted somebody, who questions me, who talks to me when I really give up. And there were times that I gave up, actually.
Hmm.
There was a time I lost hardly, I think, 200 or 400 grams a week. And then I was like, see, this is not working. I really want to quit. And she was one strong person saying, no, it's okay. And the next week, I lost 1.5 kgs. She's like, see, we told you. So,
Hmm.
yeah, she's a perfect person, perfect partner to motivate you and push you through that line. So, thanks, Prachi. Thanks a lot.
She would be very happy listening to this, and it's gonna be a super fun journey moving ahead as well. So we'll make sure that you get better without coaching as well. You should consistently get better with your fitness.
Yes.
So there's
Yes.
no turning back. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, that's about it.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Yash.
Most welcome.